Transform your spreadsheets from static reports into living, breathing tools with a progressive tab in Excel. Let's dive into how you can create a dynamic Excel table that adapts to your needs right before your eyes. First, we'll start with a blank canvas. This is where our interactive tab will live. Select the data you want to include in your table. Then head over to the Insert tab and click on Table. This instantly formats your data into a proper Excel table, giving it powerful built-in features. Once it's a table, a new Table Design tab automatically appears. This is your command center for all things table related. Notice how when you add new data directly below the table, it automatically expands, incorporating it seamlessly. This is a key aspect of its progressive nature. Similarly, adding a new column to the right also extends the table, keeping everything perfectly organized. Now, for the interactive magic, click on any of the filter arrows in your table header. See those options. You can quickly filter your data to focus on exactly what you need, making analysis a breeze. Want to add a new calculated column? Just type a formula in the first cell of a new column adjacent to your table, and watch as Excel automatically applies that formula to every row. To personalize it further, double-click on the default table name in the Table Design tab and give it a descriptive name. This is super helpful if you have multiple tables in your workbook. And don't forget the visual appeal. Explore the Table Styles gallery to instantly change the look and feel of your progressive table. From subtle banding to more vibrant themes, you can make your data stand out. Sorting is just as simple. Click any header and choose to sort ascending or descending, allowing you to quickly arrange your data in the order that makes the most sense. So there you have it. Why you're a dynamic, progressive tab in Excel that simplifies data management and makes quick analysis effortless by adapting to your input. Start building your smarter spreadsheets today.